day here in the Blue Mountains. It's actually been snowing for the last few days, just up the road a little bit, but it's clear today, and so I thought I'd take a walk. And I'm wanting to go, I'm about 3 minutes away from my house, and I'm wanting to go down over there. There's a waterfall there, and it's one of my favourite spots close to us. In fact, many years ago we shot a television special there. A Japanese film crew came out from NHK television in Japan and filmed us doing this illusion down there. So I like to go down every couple of years. Now, it's just down there. You can actually hear the waterfall when it's running. It may not be today, but it's just down there. But you can't go there. It's very close, but that's not the way to get there. And there's a sheer drop, and there's no track, and it's quite dangerous, and you could get lost. So we have to go a different way. Sometimes it really is useful if you have a map and you can follow some steps and directions. That's why we put together the ExpertMC roadmap. It's a free download off our site, and it's a 6-page PDF, no cost to you, and you don't even need to provide an email address. And if you follow the steps in the roadmap, it will really make your progress towards your goal a whole lot quicker. This is exactly what I mean. Having some directions to point you in the right way, down the right track, will save you a whole lot of time. You'll get shortcuts, you'll fast track your progress. So this is why we suggest you download the Emcee's roadmap. Let's go. This fabulous rock shelter has been used for thousands of years by Aboriginal people who used to travel through the Blue Mountains on different trading routes, and there've been quite a few archaeological digs here at the site, and to learn more about the history of the place, it really is a magical spot. So there you are. There's actually more water coming down the falls today than I thought there would be, which is fantastic. And as you can see, that's where we shot the TV special. And my challenge to you, go onto the website. I'll leave a link in the description below, and download the Emcee's roadmap so you can find your shortcut to success. Follow the steps in the PDF and read the things I suggest you read, watch the videos I suggest you watch, and take the steps that I outline, and you too can be a great MC. Wishing you all the best in your career. It's Timothy Hyde here. I'll see you on the next video.